Hello, class 8. This is the continuation of your chapter, that is conjunction. In the last video, we have completed till exercise E and we have seen the usage of some of the conjunctions that is given here. Now we have to start with the use of so, because, and this is given on page number 130 in your grammar books. So we use because to suggest the reason for something. Like when we are using because, we will give the reason or we will suggest the reason for whatever is given before the word because. Then where we use so to suggest the result of something. It is going to show the result of something. That is the reason for something and this is the result of something. Alright, and conjunctions like before, therefore, consequently, or as a result also imply the result of something. Now see the examples, it will be very clear to you all. A1, it was raining heavily, so he wore a raincoat. So as a result of, as it was raining heavily, so as a result of which he is wearing a raincoat. Then you can see the example B, there was a traffic jam on the way, so he reached late. There was a traffic jam, so as a result of which she reached late to wherever she has to go. Then he has practiced well, so he could sing very well at the concert. So as he was practicing well, as a result of which he is going to sing very well at the concert. Then the example, the function was postponed because the singers did not reach on time. So the function was postponed. What was the reason? Because the singers did not reach on time. So conjunction because indicates why something happened. Okay, it is going to show why that thing happened, because we are going to get the reason for it. And words like as, since and for can be also used to suggest a reason. See the example, I cannot go to school because it is raining heavily. What is the reason of not going to school? It is raining heavily. Then F is the board members were not willing to attend the meeting because it was a Sunday. Now what you have to do in this exercise F, you have to join these sentences using the conjunction that is mentioned in the bracket. I will tell you in oral form and then at the end of the video I will show you the written form of these. Alright, the first one is Ramesh was ill, he could not go for the meeting. What will be the answer by joining so? Ramesh was ill, so he could not go for the meeting. Then the next is the old man was upset. The children laughed when he fell on the road. You have to use because. The old man was upset because the children laughed when he fell on the road. Then third, you must leave for school at once. You are getting late. What will be the answer? Since you are getting late, you must leave for school at once. Then fourth, the ground was wet. They did not play yesterday. You have to use therefore. The ground was wet. Therefore, they did not play yesterday. Next is the box was too heavy. He could not carry it up the stairs. What will be the answer? The box was too heavy. As a result, he could not carry it up the stairs. Sixth, the house looks as good as new. It was painted recently. What will be the answer? The house looks as good as new since it was painted recently. Seventh, he does not have many friends. He is a shy boy. What will be the answer? He does not have many friends as he is a shy boy. Eighth, the teacher did not pardon him. He did not apologize for troubling other children. What will be the answer? The teacher did not pardon him as he did not apologize for troubling other children. So this finishes our exercise F. Next is use of so that. Next is use of so that purpose. Conjunction so that, in order that, and lest suggest the purpose of performing an action. Why that? What was the purpose of performing an action? So that is going to, these words are going to suggest that why or what is the purpose of performing any action. Whenever we use lest, we generally use should with it. So remember this, when we use lest, we are going to use should with it. Example, wear a raincoat lest you should get wet in the rain. You can see with lest we are using should. And what is the purpose of wearing a raincoat? otherwise you are going to get wet. So purpose is also mentioned here. Then B is light a candle lest you should trip and fall in the dark. C, he did not board a bus but hired a taxi so that he could reach the airport on time. What is the purpose of hiring a taxi? So that he can reach the airport on time. Then D, the child carried some pocket money in order that he could buy snacks at the school canteen. Then what is the important note C here? So that indicates the purpose. And because indicates the reason. We have seen it previously in the last page that because indicates the reason, so that indicates the purpose. So you have to remember this. Like see the example, he borrowed the compass so that he could complete the diagram. What was his purpose of taking the compass? So that he could complete the diagram. And see the example of because, he could not complete the diagram because he had lost his compass. So what is the reason that he hasn't completed his diagram? Because he had lost his compass. Alright. Now what you have to do in the exercise G, you have to complete the following sentences with the ideas of your own and introduce the conjunction given in bracket. See, I am telling you what I have written here. You can write it by your own as well if you want, and you just need to use the conjunction that is given in bracket. See the first one, I kept the food in the refrigerator lest it should become stale. Alright. We have, what is the purpose of keeping it in the refrigerator? Otherwise it is going to be stale. She carried her spectacles to the library in order that she could read properly. Again, we are telling the purpose. Next, she took some medicine so that she could be fine. She kept all the jewelry in the locker lest it should be stolen. Next, she tied her shoelace so that she could run fast. So you can see here that after these words, we are getting to know the purpose of these. That why we are doing that. What is the purpose of that? In just using these conjunction. So we have done the conjunctions, that is lest, in order to, so that here. Now next is use of if, and that is condition. We use the conjunction if to suggest a condition. Now we are using if to show a condition or suggest a condition. Words like provided or only if can also be used to suggest a condition. See the example, if there is a power cut, the electrical appliances will not work. So what is it is suggesting, or it is telling us condition that if there is no power, the electric appliance will not work. So this is telling this, after using if, we get to know the condition. Then see the B1, she will attend office if she keeps well. So if the condition is that she is well, then only she will attend the office. Then C is if the medicines are not taken regularly, the patient will not improve. What is the condition? If he is not going to take the medicine, then he is not going to improve. D is I can accompany you to the show if you have an extra ticket. What is the condition? I will accompany you if you have an extra ticket. This is the condition. If you are going to have an extra ticket, then only I will be able to go with you. Alright. Then see exercise H, join the following sentences by using conjunction given in bracket. Now we have brackets, and brackets we have conjunctions, that is conditions based, that is suggesting a condition. See the first one, he decided to buy the car, it was very expensive. What will be the answer? He decided to buy the car even if it was very expensive. Second is you will be healthy and fit. Eat vegetables and fruits. What will be the answer? You will be healthy and fit if you eat vegetables and fruits. Next is his general knowledge will improve. He should read an encyclopedia. His general knowledge will improve if he reads an encyclopedia. What is the condition? This is what we are getting from these conjunctions. Alright. Fourth is we will reach on time. We should leave early. What will be the answer? We will reach on time provided we leave early. Fifth is he will play well. He should train under a good coach. What will be the answer? He will play well only if he gets trained under a good coach. Alright. Now again the exercise I, what you have to do here, you have to frame a sentence using these conjunctions. Alright. So the first one is the village will prosper only if the people take initiative. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Hear me properly and write all the answers properly. Second is the clothes will dry soon if you put them outside. Third, the painting will look beautiful if properly taken care of. Fourth, we can drive further provided there is petrol in the car. Next, I can allow you to go only if you eat your own food. And the last one is, he will be able to climb the mountain provided he has some training. So this finishes our exercise I. Next is use of when, where, as. Now see here. See this example. The glass broke when it slipped from my hand. It is indicating time, like the time when it slipped from my hand. B is the car was not parked where I had left it. Again, here it is telling us about place. C, as soon as the announcement was made, the children assembled in the hall. It is again telling time. D, people follow this film star wherever he goes. Place. He behaved as he had been taught. Manner. She behaved as if she was concerned about his health. Manner. So conjunctions like when, while, till, as soon as, since, before or wherever suggest time. Conjunction like where or wherever suggest place, and conjunction like as and as if suggest manner. So remember this, that the conjunction while, when, till, as soon as, since, before, wherever are going to suggest time. Where and wherever shows place, as and as if suggest manner. Now you have to use these and join the sentences in exercise J. See the first one. The lightning struck, we had reached home. What will be the answer? The lightning struck before we had reached home. Before is telling us about time. Second is the politician went to different places, people followed him. What will be the answer? The people followed the politician wherever he went. Alright. So this is the second one. Third is he will find a solution. Let him analyze the problem properly. What will be the answer? He will find a solution after he analyzes the problem properly. Fourth, he left the town long ago. We have no contact with him after that. What will be the answer? Since he left the town long ago, we have no contact with him. Fifth, she kept the packet somewhere. She does not remember the place. She does not remember the place where she had kept the packet. The next is the door opened. He walked in. What will be the answer? As soon as the door opened, he walked in. And the last one is he woke up. The alarm rang. He woke up when the alarm rang. Alright, so this finishes our exercise J. In exercise K, you have to fill in with the appropriate conjunction. Just need to fill the appropriate conjunctions. See the first one. I left when you were about to reach. Second, she was so upset that she left the party. Third, we have to work together if we want to win. Fourth, I was scared since it was dark outside. Fifth, you must listen to all that your elders say. Sixth, mother wanted to know if you had polished your shoes or not. Seventh, sorry for this. She told me that I could use her laptop. Eighth, she is as beautiful as her mother. Ninth, several buildings collapsed as the tremor of the earthquake was very strong. 10th, although I requested him not to go, but he left. Next exercise L. Let's quickly complete it. Fill in the blanks with conjunction from the box. You have to pick it from this pink box. First, either you watch television or you listen to music. Do one thing. Then second, either he is funny or he has some problem. Third, she worries not only about her parents but also her grandparents. Fourth, though she worked hard, yet she could not come first in the class. Fifth, both Mrs. Sharma and Mr. Sharma like reading. Now last exercise, again conjunction is given in bracket. You just have to use it and frame sentences by your own. See the first one, I left early so that I could reach in time. Second, she took out her umbrella because it was raining. Third, he locked the main door as it was safe to do so. Fourth, he went to the party though he was unwell. Fifth, Samriddhi learnt the poem well so she could recite it in her class. Sixth, mother wanted to visit her cousin and her aunt. Seventh, she likes to meet people whereas he is an introvert. Eighth, they had bought the gifts but they forgot to bring them. Ninth, he was thrilled, therefore he kept on asking questions. 10th, the flyover was inaugurated, still it is not being used. So this finishes our this chapter, conjunctions. After this, I will show you the answers of those two exercises. Write it from there and please write each and everything in your books and your grammar copies. Alright students? From here you can see exercise G and exercise H and exercise J. Pause it for some time and write all the answers correctly. And from here you can write 6th and 7th of this exercise J that is given here. And I hope everything is clear to you all. You have written everything properly. As you know, it is going to come in your exam, so please write each and every exercise. Anything can come in your exam. Alright students, so this finishes our this chapter, conjunction. We'll meet in the next video. We will do direct and indirect speech. So finish this and read that chapter before you see that video. Alright students, till then, bye and take care.